Hello and welcome to Wolfe Canmore. Today we're looking at a 2018 GMC Terrain Denali. And moving on to the interior with power windows and door locks, keyless entry, has a power lift gate and also memory seats. The seats are heated and cooled. This vehicle has a front collision alert, also lane keep assist, navigation, and it has a nice big sunroof up there. Our 2018 Terrain Denali has a 2-liter turbo and a 9-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. Lots of room in the rear passenger compartment with seating for 3, heated seats on the outboard positions, a couple of USB ports, and also the GM nice rubber floor mats. Thank you for shopping at Wolfe Canmore. If you have any questions about our 2018 GMC Terrain Denali, please give us a call at 403-678-4222. Thanks and have a great day.